For years, my mother has struggled with multiple connective tissue disorders that have caused her unbearable pain and discomfort. The pain from the disorders caused her increased anxiety and depression. When she began to lose her desire to eat, I knew that I needed to find a way to encourage her to eat and make that experience enjoyable. She had always loved baked goods, buttered breads and muffins, so I pulled from her old parenting playbook. When I was a child, she'd encourage me to eat by making the foods visually appealing, playful, but yet still nourishing. I wanted to do the same for her, and some friends recommended infusing butter. Introducing her to new flavors would make eating her favorite foods enjoyable again. I looked for a butter infuser, but there just weren't any great options, so I started from scratch. There were all types of challenges: sediment in the butter, hard to clean tools, and inefficient processes. I kept refining it, started making my own tools, and at the end, I'm proud of the product I developed. It infuses butter and oils naturally, cleanly, and efficiently. Now I'd like to share my product with you. I'd like to introduce you to Baqed.
Baqed is a revolutionary, do-it-yourself artisanal infuser that easily blends tasty and healthy herbs, spices and botanicals into butter or oils. The Baqed Infuser allows you to do it yourself without buying expensive herbal butters. Unlike other infusers on the market, Baqed has a no-mess separation process and creates a much higher quality product. Additionally, Baqed is roughly half the price of the top competitor in the infuser market. Baqed takes a normally complex infusion process and makes it simpler, so you can spend more time coming up with endless creative meals with your infused butters and oils. Some of you may be asking, why infuse butter? Infusing butter allows for a more even distribution of flavour than adding spices, herbs or sugars directly into your cooking. It also allows you to cook sediment-free. You're no longer going to be biting into a bay leaf or rosemary stem. It can be used to garnish meats, create baked goods, enhance flavoured oils to accent pastas, vegetables or meat dishes, or simply added as a finishing to toast, pancakes or waffles. Once you start infusing butter, you'll wonder how you ever lived without Baqed.
My name is Rashika Barr, and I am the founder and creator of the Baked Butter Infuser. I teamed up with the phenomenal people at Bootstrap Brands to create an amazing product that will look great in any kitchen. The factory is ready to produce the greatest butter infuser ever made. All I need is your support. I need to raise $15,000 to place my first order. Please help me bring the joy of wonderful food and baked goods to homes around the world. I promise you will not be disappointed. Baqed is confidence-backed by Bootstrap Brands, the proud developer of product lines such as Thundershirt, Happy Wax, and Elf Logic. When we hit our goal, you're going to receive a high-quality product quickly and to the specifications shown in the video. So if you're looking for a simple, easy method to expertly infuse your favorite dishes, Baqed is right for you. Baqed, infused with love.